Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by making sure your GA4 property and web data stream are live. This is where data flows. Next, install GTag, JS, or push a tag manager container to the site so events can fire. Once done, define the core events you need: page view, session start, and a short list of custom events that represent key touchpoints. Make sure each event has a clear name and key parameters so you can stitch actions together downstream in reports. You now map the user journey into concrete events: entry, product view, add to cart, checkout step, purchase. Use meaningful parameters like page location, user ID, and step index to preserve context. In Google Tag Manager, create precise triggers: click, form submit, history change, or call GTag, event, in line with identical names. Once done, validate each event with debug view. Make sure parameters arrive intact and that user ID or client ID persists across pages so you can assemble a continuous journey. You finish by building the analysis. Open explorations, create a funnel or path analysis using the events and step index you instrumented. Once built, validate results across debug view, real-time reports, and if needed, BigQuery exports for raw joins. If numbers look off, check event naming consistency, missing parameters, or user ID continuity. Also confirm cookie/consent settings aren't blocking hits. Make sure to iterate. Adjust triggers or parameter capture, then revalidate until the journey matches expected user flows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.